Hi! Hi everyone, my name is Pam. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to unboxing my first Treasure albums. Yay! So let's get started. Oh my gosh guys, look at this! Oh my gosh! My first album ever. I ordered 3 of them. Treasure Effects albums, these 2. In today's video, I'm going to look at these 2 albums, chapter 2 and 3. Go! Oh my gosh! Look at this guys. These are the first 2 albums that I got. Chapter 3 and chapter 2. White version and this is black version. I am going to look at this first. Wow, it's so beautiful. I really like the color. Chapter 2. Treasure font. I will open it now. They are all good looking and they are also talented. They are all round. Oh, this are bookmark. I really like it. Lyrics. And wow, oh my gosh, hologram. Oh, oh, what? Oh my gosh. Here is CDs. Looks, it's so beautiful. Okay, so I got my hologram. Yeah. Wow. And this is like, it is poster or what? Like we hang it on the wall. I don't know. But I know that this is a school uniform concept. Like in the Sunny music video. First, Bangyeram selfie card. Yeah. Oh, Bangyeram again. Is Yeram. Huh? Huh? I got. Oh my gosh. Looks, I got. This is all Yeram. This bookmark. This Yoshi card, the scratch card that we can scratch it and see if we win the fan size event. I don't know, but it's sorry for me. And this is sticker, the heart-shaped sticker. So my first albums I got this 4 card is 3. The 3 of them are Yeadams and this is Yoshi. Let's get into the next one. Is chapter 3. I really like the song in chapter 3, the songs and Orange. This one is hologram versions. Oh, it's like really holograms. The texture is different from the first one. It's black versions and treasures and thunder. Let's see. This is so different from the first one. The first one they look so like flowers. They are so bright, and this is like cool. This is cool. There are treasure member names in hologram. Oh. And here's the holograms one. They all look so cool. Wow. Oh, okay. Let me finish about this book first. Asahi hair looks so good in all colors. I think if he do like rainbow, it still suit him. Guys, I got my show holograms again. My friend's gonna like it so much because she likes my show so much. CDs. It's like dark versions. So I got my show card, bookmark. Let's see which card members I got. First one is Marshall against. Oh my gosh. Sophie got I Treasure You. This is Do-young Kim Do-young. Jihoon got Jihoon, Park Jihoon. And I got Asahi card. Oh, Asahi. I Treasure You. This card again. Sorry for me. So these are for today's video. Thank you you guys for coming watching me, and please like and subscribe if you want to. See you next time. I'm going to unbox the Treasure Epic albums. Goodbye.